Join me as I take on the challenge to pass the IELTS exam with flying colors in 2025. Understanding the IELTS exam represents a critical milestone for those seeking to study or work in English-speaking countries. Comprehending its importance is essential as the IELTS exam functions as a measure of language proficiency for non-native English speakers. Achieving a comprehensive score can pave the way to numerous opportunities and unlock doors for academic and professional growth. One of the most significant challenges IELTS candidates face is the language barrier. Many test takers struggle to express themselves effectively in English, and this always leads to poor scores. Now, another challenge IELTS candidates face is test anxiety, which can affect even the most prepared candidates. A lot of candidates also lack access to quality preparation resources, making it difficult for them to prepare adequately for the exam. Now, time management is a crucial aspect of the IELTS exam, and many candidates struggle to complete each section within the allocated time. Additionally, understanding the IELTS exam format and question types can be overwhelming, especially for those who are new to the exam. Furthermore, many candidates underestimate the importance of practicing under time conditions, which also lead to poor time management of the actual test day. All these challenges can make it difficult for candidates to achieve their desired scores. With the right strategies and mindset, it is possible to overcome these challenges and achieve outstanding results in the IELTS exam. One of the ways is by using effective study materials, practicing consistently, and managing time wisely. Candidates can significantly improve their chances of passing the exam with flying colors. One highly effective approach to preparing for the IELTS exam involves using a diverse range of study materials. This can include textbooks, online resources, and practice tests. This variety helps pinpoint areas that need improvement and builds a solid understanding of the exam structure and question types. Setting a detailed study schedule and sticking to it is crucial. This schedule should ensure that ample time. If you are enjoying my video, kindly like, subscribe, and share to your fellow colleague. Setting up a detailed study schedule and sticking to it is crucial. This schedule should ensure the ample time is dedicated to each section of the exam, allowing for thorough preparation and balanced study time. Let me do a wrap up now. Incorporating regular time review sessions and practicing under time conditions can significantly boost confidence and improve performance. Seeking feedback and engaging in study groups can also further enhance the learning experience by providing support and additional insights. For instance, I recall a candidate who initially struggled to attain a band score of 7 in the IELTS section of the IELTS exam. Despite their persistent efforts, they found it challenging to achieve the desired score, which left them feeling disheartened. However, they decided to implement a consistent study routine, which included daily practice of essay writing under time conditions. By dedicating specific hours each day to focus on their writing skills and seeking constructive feedback from instructors, they gradually improved. Over time, this candidate not only became more comfortable with the exam format, but also developed a deeper understanding of the recruitment for a higher band score. they practiced various essay types, expanded their vocabulary, and refined their grammar and coherence. As a result of this, their confidence grew, and they approached the exam with a positive mindset and well-honed skills. Their hard work paid off when they managed to achieve an impressive bar score of 8 in the IELTS section. This remarkable improvement highlights the effectiveness of adopting appropriate strategies and maintaining a positive attitude. It clearly demonstrates that with dedication, persistence, and the right approach, even the most daunting challenges in the IELTS exam can be overcome. In conclusion, passing the IELTS exam with flying colors requires a combination of effective approach, consistent practice, and a positive mindset. By understanding the challenges faced by the IELTS candidates and adopting the right strategies, anyone can achieve outstanding results and unlock their full potential. If you found my video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for additional tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'm eager to hear about your IELTS experience in the comment section below. If you are seeking more study advice and materials, don't forget to check out on my other videos.